Snowflakes are beginning to fall in the Shenandoah Valley. Here in Rockingham County, we're expected to see 6 to 8 inches of snow from Winter Storm Harlow over the next 12 to 24 hours. This will be followed by Winter Storm Ileana, expected to drop a quarter to half inch of ice on an area that just saw an ice storm. This could bring branches down, causing power outages across portions of the area. The southern I-81 corridor is expected to see quarter to half an inch of ice today from Harlow, more of an ice threat than a snow threat, but followed by another quarter to half plus inches of ice tomorrow. This could create a hazardous, very hazardous driving commute. They're probably going to end up shutting down portions of I-81, several roadways down in that area. It's going to create a very dangerous driving commute. I don't expect anybody to be able to get on the roads Wednesday night into Thursday morning. VDOT is going to try to keep up with the snowfall rates from Harlow, but it's just going to be very difficult once we start seeing those heavier bands of 1 to 2 inches an hour of accumulation. That's going to create a very big problem, as we've seen before. VDOT does everything they can, but it's just too much when you start experiencing those snowfall rates. Everybody, if you have to go out, get out now. Do not go out in those hazardous driving conditions. You do not want to get caught out in that. Car crashes are just dangerous, and you do not want to have to deal with all those extra expenses, all the paperwork. Be careful out there, guys. Stay safe. As you can see behind me here, it is a much different scene than we had earlier around noon. It's about 5 o'clock here in Harrisonburg, and we have snow coming down at about 1 inch an hour right now. We're at about 3 inches right now as a total. This is going to continue to accumulate overnight. We're going to keep seeing dangerous road conditions in the area. People are out enjoying this, but be safe if you guys have to go out. I do not recommend driving anywhere. I've already seen several cars slipping and sliding down hills, struggling to drive. VDOT is out, but do not make it harder on them to do their job. Do not get in a car crash today, guys. It's fun. If you guys enjoy snow, go out, look in it, stay on the sidewalks, but be safe, stay wrapped up. Y'all be safe.
Yeah, did you try to jump into that shit? You cracked your head on the